Hi. Today we're going to read Go Dog Go. It's written by P.D. Eastman. This is the what? The front of the book. What is this? The back and the spine. Great job. Okay, are you ready? Dog. Big dog, little dog. Big dogs and little dogs, black dogs and white dogs. Hello, hello. Do you like my hat? I do not. Goodbye. Goodbye. One little dog going in. 3 big dogs going out. A red dog on a blue tree. A blue dog on a red tree. A green dog on a yellow tree. Some big dogs and some little dogs going around in cars. A dog out of the car. 2 big dogs going up, 1 little dog going down. He looks really excited. How do you think they look? How do they feel? Maybe a little nervous. They're like, oh no, I'm going up this big roller coaster. The green dog is up. The yellow dog is down. The blue dog is in. The red dog is out. 1 dog up on the house. 3 dogs in the water. Down in the water. A green dog over a tree. A yellow dog under the tree. 2 dogs in a house, on a boat, in the water. A dog over the water, a dog under the water. Hello again. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not. Goodbye again. Goodbye. The dogs are all going around and around. Go around again. You know what this is called? It's a Ferris wheel. The sun is up. The sun is yellow. The yellow sun is over the house. It is hot out here in the sun. It is not hot out here under the house. Now it is night. 3 dogs at a party on a boat at night. Do you see their hats? What are they doing? One's playing a banjo. The other one has a boat floating in the water. He has a string. And one has is that a lollipop or a yo-yo? And then they're playing a game. They're playing checkers. Dogs at work. Work, dogs, work. Dogs at play. Play, dogs, play. Hello again. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like your hat. Goodbye again. Goodbye. Dogs in cars again! Going away fast! Vroom vroom! Look at those dogs go! Go, dogs, go! Because what does a green light mean? Green means go! Stop! light is red now. Kind of like when we play the game, red light, green light. Red means stop. Green means go. Go, dogs, go. The light is green now. Two dogs at play on top. Go, dogs, go down, dogs. Do not play up there, go down. Why do you think they want them to get down? It might be dangerous to play up there because they're in the sky. Look how high up they are. Do you see that tiny little city? They're really high up. That's not very safe. Now it is night. Night is not a time for play. It's a time for sleep. The dogs go to sleep. They will sleep all night. Look at the dogs sleeping. There's one up top. Look at look at him. Now that's how a dog sleeps. These dogs are sleeping like humans. Now it's day. The sun is up. Now it's time for all the dogs to get up. Get up. It is day. Time to get going. Go, dogs, go. Where are they going? There they go. Look at those dogs go. Why are they going so fast in those cars? What are they going to do? Where are those dogs going? Where do you think they're going? Maybe. Let's find out. Look where they are going. They're going to that big tree over there. What do you think is going to happen at the big tree? Let's see. Now the dogs stop. Now all the dogs get out. And now look where they are going. To the tree! To the tree! Look at that really big ladder. What do you think's going on in the tree? Up the tree, up the tree, up they go to the top of the tree. Why? Will they work there? Will they play there? What is up there on top of the tree? Okay, one more guess. What do you think's on top of the tree? Those are all some great guesses. Let's see. Let's see what's on top of the tree. Let's see what's on top of the tree. A dog party! A big dog party. Big dogs, little dogs, red dogs, blue dogs, yellow dogs, green dogs, black dogs, and white dogs. All are at the dog party. What a dog party. Hello again. And now, do you like my hat? I do. What a hat. I like it. I like that party hat. You like her hat? Goodbye. Goodbye. The end. What was your favorite part? Now, if you notice, this book taught you about opposites. It told you that somebody was on the tree and then somebody was off the tree. Somebody was over a tree and under a tree. It taught you the opposites. Now, what was your favorite part? I like that part too. Now, what was your favorite hat? Now, that doggie wore a bunch of different hats. She had the one with the daisy. She had, where's the next one? The one with the feather. Did you notice that he took the feather? I didn't notice that till I looked again. Then, what other hats were there? Remember the one on top of the mountain? Let's find that hat. Where is that hat? Where is that hat? Let's see. Let's see that hat.
Just finished
Let's see, there's that hat. It's a winter hat. And then the last hat was the party hat. Which hat was your favorite? I like the party one too. But I don't think it was very kind of him. They kept saying, I do not like your hat. He didn't sound very nice about it. There could have been a nicer way to say it. At least he was honest though. I like that one. I hope you liked the story. Bye. Thanks for reading with me.